Hello, my name is Takiaki Ida. I'll explain bioluminescence. Do you know bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is a phenomenon in which living organisms generate and emit light. It occurs because of a chemical reaction that converts chemical energy into light energy. Let's look at the history of bioluminescence. The chemistry of growing creatures began in the 19th century. In 1821, Merkel found that some organic compounds were involved in luminescence. And in 1892, Phipson found that dead fish glowed because of bacteria. Then in 1885, French researcher Dubois revealed that luminescent organisms have elements of light and enzymes that catalyze the chemical reaction that causes the elements of light to emit light. Luciferin and luciferase are generic names, and different luminescent organisms have different chemical substances. The light of luminescent organisms is called bioluminescence. Luminescent organisms range from luminescent bacteria to luminescent fish. Not amphibians, reptiles, birds, or mammals. In addition, there are no plants that emit light in the strict sense. In bioluminescence, luciferin is basically oxidized, and fluorescent excited oxide becomes a luminescent material, which emits light when it returns to the ground state. Let's look at the light emission mechanism of fireflies in detail. In the presence of Mg2+, firefly luciferin reacts with ATP adenosine triphosphate to be analyzed by the action of luciferins, and luciferin AMP is produced. Next, it reacts with oxygen by the action of luciferase to generate peroxide anion, which is converted into unstable dioxinate in the enzyme. This dioxinate structure cleaves in the enzyme to produce CO2 and excited singlet state oxyluciferin. At this time, a monoanion in the excited singlet state of luciferin is efficiently generated, and then deprotonated to become a dianion in the excited singlet state. When each returns to the ground state, it emits light. It is often explained that the excited oxyluciferin becomes red in the monoanion type and yellowish green in the dianion type. This bioluminescence mechanism has been applied in all fields. Let's see examples. A photoprotein was discovered in Aquaria corallus. Photoproteins have the property of shining when calcium ions are attached. So when used as a reagent, it is possible to search for an increase or decrease in calcium ion in the body. It is also used to take advantage of the reaction with ATP, which is the mechanism of firefly luminescence. Since ATP is always used by living things as an energy source, it can be used to investigate whether there are living things in outer space. Thank you for watching.